Right now he's wiring for these speakers right here, so they can get hung up in the ceiling. He's wiring for that. As you can tell, we have our TV mounts on the wall. That's going up. They'll be up today. You see them there. So we're working.
Thank God.
Also this week, guys, we were able to install our new address numbers. It's 217, but we went with black. The other numbers, they were dirty and couldn't hardly see anymore. So we went with a more modern, slicker look of the 217 in black. And look how great it looks. Hey, what's up, New Zion? This is week 7. This is day 5 of our church renovations. Sorry I hadn't really been posting this week. Throughout this video, you will see that it's been very sporadic, but we've been doing a lot of work in here. This week has been simply about audio and video. As you can see, we have done a lot of stuff in here on this week. Our 85-inch Samsung TVs, they have been mounted on the walls. They've been mounted on the walls, and as you can see, they've already got some video feed to them. Got a guy here, he's working on, tell us what you're working on.
Some XLR for your PA.
Some XLRs for the PA, for the sound system, so he's working on that. Make sure we're good on that part there. Come on up here on the stage. We have our LED strips, our uplighting. It's gonna be on the walls. They are RGB, so they can change colors. You can see all of them. They're gonna be all the way around throughout the entire sanctuary. Also, if you glance up there, you can see we have our new lights are in and they're up and working. So these here are static cameras. We're gonna probably use these to get shots of the band and some more creative shots that we can be able to use for our online streaming audience that we now have. Got guys there hanging speakers currently for our audio design. So we have that going on as well. Yeah, we have one PTZ right there. We have 2 back there. And then we have another one. If you can see it, it's over there on that side over there. So we're in here working. We'll be here tomorrow. So we're working on Saturday. Working on Saturday this week. Till the next video. Gotta go. Hey guys, so I'm here with Morgan Edwards from Lumen Films, and he is the one that created our entire audio and visual design for our church. And so I'm just give him a second to kind of talk through what you see back here, kind of talk through what they've been doing all week. And so yeah, Morgan.
Yeah, so right here we're gonna have our Pro Presenter and our streaming computer set up here. So this is how all the words will be displayed and how everybody online will see everything. Here we've got our director's position. This is where the shots are called and taken. Right here, right now we're configuring all of the remote cameras, but this is like the remote camera setup. Joystick controls the cameras remotely. This is just the lighting control console, audio console here. We've got 4 of these PTZ cameras, pan, tilt, zoom cameras that are controlled essentially from this unit here. We're hanging speakers now. That's our last piece of rigging that we have to do, and 2 of the 85-inch TVs up there just so everybody can see in the space. And eventually we'll get these uplights on the wall so we can have some color, and maybe a surprise for you guys in a little while, But yeah, that's what we've got.
All right, guys. So as you can tell, we've been working all week, and we're going to continue to work. But hopefully, you're still praying for us. Keep us in your mind as this journey does get tedious. To the next video, as I always say, I love you, and there's nothing you can do about it.